गोवा मेरियट्सान मास्टर शेफ प्रोग्रामाची उपजैतिवंत शाजिया खानाची कुकिंग क्लास आयोजित केल्या। ही कार्यशाळेचो आयतारा मिरामारच्या मेरियट्स रिसोर्टान समारोप जालो। सोमारा ही कार्यशाळा मडगांवां जातली। लोकांनी ह्या कार्यशाळेक बरो प्रतिसाद दिला अशें शेफ शाजिया खान म्हणटा।
How was your experience in Goa?
Experience has been amazing. We've had the second show today of the desserts segment. बहुत ही मज़ा आया है, लोगों ने बहुत enjoy किया है and it's a superb crowd, a very interactive crowd. तो उनके साथ साथ I'm also having fun.
After Master Chef from आम आदमी to a
मैं अभी भी एक आम आदमी हूँ, अभी भी सोच बिल्कुल एक हाउसवाइफ की तरह है। तो yes, definitely after Master Chef life has changed. My food journey has changed. Thoughts on food, जो ingredients, everything है, वो level बहुत बढ़ गया है। But otherwise typical housewife ही हूँ अभी भी।
What is the event?
It's about the cookery show. Shazia Khan is a chef, Master Chef runner-up actually, Master Chef India Season 2, she's a runner-up. And we thought of this program because Goa is famous for its multiculture. So we got it idea, like why not the crowd also, the Goans, learn about the new dishes. Basically this program is all about cooking.
रॅन्टी मार्टिन्साच्या सुवातीचेर आपूण खेळचो ना ही गजाल आर्सेनालाचो आदलो खेळगडो रोहन रिकेट्सान स्पश्ट केल्या। आपूण केन्ना स्ट्रायकर नाशिल्लो, ते खातीर रॅन्टीची सुवात घेवंक शकचो ना अशें रोहन म्हणटा। भारतीय फुटबॉलर खेळांत मातशे कमी पडटात अशें प्रिमियर लिगांत खेळिल्ल्या ह्या इंग्लंडाच्या खेळगड्याक दिसता। रोहन फाटल्या सप्तकांत धेंपोंत आयला।
It's been a week or so that Rohan Ricketts has played in India, and let's get to know from him how has it been. 1 week, started as a striker, then a central midfielder. How has it been for you?
It's been interesting. I came into the league and people were saying, Rohan Ricketts is a striker, but no one knew. I've never played as a striker. I was always a central midfield player at Arsenal and Tottenham. I played occasionally on the left, sometimes on the right, but always as a creative midfield player who was played facing the goal rather than my back to goal. I had a good talk with the coach Armando, and he was very, very welcoming and open to the discussion we had, and he said, look Rohan, I don't have a problem, I can convert you back to a midfield player, and he's made that transition for me, and I played yesterday and I was happy with my performance, but I know as I get fitter and fitter I'll contribute even more to the team.
How has it been in terms of your footballing brain, I mean applying it here in India? You obviously come with a different set of thinking, a different set of rules in your head, how football is played, different set of techniques. So how has it been adjusting in India with Indian players, Goan players, a few foreigners in Ruiji Soka and Coco?
It's been difficult if I'm being honest, because I feel that like in India, I think the players, they can run fast, it's good stamina, technically they're fine, but it's the football intelligence that they lack, you know, in terms of either positioning or when to release the ball, where to stand and stuff like that. So it is frustrating because I'm used to probably the brain moving a bit quicker, and then players seeing passes before the balls even come, so they don't need to take a touch sometimes. So, or players reacting off players' movement with and without the ball. So these are the things I see, and sometimes that we are behind in India. So for me, I think, like I remember when I first came here, Armando said that I have to adapt to the group rather than the group adapt to me. So I'm trying to find a happy medium, you know, because I have to adapt to them, because I'm not going to be able to change anything overnight. But at the same time, I would like them to take on board a few things. For instance, when we played against Churchill Brothers, a game that I thought we was fortunate to win, we retreated back as soon as we took the lead. And we didn't need to, we're the champions, we're Dempo Sports Club. But I said to them yesterday before the game, I said, listen, Clifford, Anthony, stay pushed up on. We're all going to push up. We're going to stay pressed up. And we started the game really well. Got a 2-0 lead from the flanks, which the coach was telling us to play. So it worked well, you know. So that was a small thing I was thinking. We don't need to sit back with Dempo. People need to fair us. We shouldn't allow them time. So I think I'm trying to find a happy medium, you know, so hopefully they can learn from some of the things I'm telling them, because if we can pick up some of the things that I've been taught back home and implement them here, I think we'll win this league.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.